Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to install the Delta first on your PC, then this video is for you. So when you are on the Delta Force official website, here you can find, so you can log into your account or you can purchase this by this card icon here, where you can find mobile and PC version available here that will allow you to purchase this game. Or otherwise you can find this PC option. Simply click on PC and it will lead you to the PC platform. Or another thing you can open your Steam application here. When you are logged into your account, you can simply search for Delta Force, and here it is, and Delta Force. So it is free to play. You don't need to purchase it, or you don't need to buy it actually. So you have to simply click on play game and it will start downloading. Just like here I'm downloading the withering waves here, so you can find the network speed from here and the downloading status, that how much time it's remained. So that's how you can just simply do it. You can find the download option from here, or you can go to the library where you can find your downloads. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.